Hello everyone. So today the topic is Blazor. So what is Blazor? Blazor is basically a framework that allows us to create web pages using C hash. So Blazor basically contains WebAssembly and website servers. So in site servers we execute in servers, and in WebAssembly we use .NET, and it is basically much slower than that. So first we have to install Visual Studio 2022. After downloading, now open the software. So here you have to download .NET, ASP.NET, and now launch it. And now create a new project. As I said, it's slow. So here we will write Blazor. Here you see like it's Blazor server app and Blazor WebAssembly. We are creating WebAssembly, so we will select WebAssembly. And now here Blazor app 2, and now create. Microsoft recently launched its .NET 8, but we are using .NET 6 version. So here it's creating. So the project is creating. And now we'll see what's by default Blazor has made for us. Here you see what Blazor actually made for us. Now it's taking time again. Oh, okay. Here we'll see, and now we will run here. Let's see what Blazor has made by default. So here the pages that Blazor have made for us is include counter razor, fetch data razor, and index data razor. So it's the code. So here's our local host made by after running the Blazor web app. We'll see what Blazor has made. Still loading. So here's the page Blazor has made for us, contain home, counter, and fetch data.